Face of the bat just a little bit. I really got quite disturbed. I thought he might have taken the mickey out of me. Could never get him caught behind. But he too used to play down the line and then simply take the bat away at the last minute. No ball called. 3 for 192. Have to add 38 onto that for the overall lead. No balls to McDermott. Perhaps that's the wrong way to phrase it. That sounds as though it's going into his credit column. No balls against McDermott. And behind Richie Richardson there has plenty of worries at the moment. He has to go for wicket taking and containment. Never easy to do. You can gather that he's looking at the containment side because he has a third man in. There's nothing the modern day player hates more than being asked to use the third man. Doesn't matter how many run off the outside edge for 4 or 3 or 2 or 1. That border is using third man and fine leg now. There's the fine leg way down there to the left of the side screen. Is the fine leg, and across on the other side and in from the boundary a little bit is the third man fieldsman. A lot of ground to cover, those two fieldsmen. Mind you, the ground is lovely and smooth out there. This surface, a pleasure no doubt to field on. Very smooth. Perhaps it's a bowling green, and the marvellous patterns out there created by the mower. Those patterns.